Hello everyone, I'm Samin Yasser and this is my channel. You're watching my first voiceover video, and today I'm going to review my art stuffs which are brand new. So let's unbox them and use them for a while. This is a watercolor. Let's unbox it and see. Oh, we have got lots of shades. Let's use the yellow one. It's very light. You can use them to highlight something. Yes, very light. Now let's unbox the next one. This is basic triangle, 24 shades, and let's see. So these are just like the Faber Castells. Yeah, quite a bit. This one is also very light, not too dark shades. So this one is a different one. It's a foam sticker which you can cut and stick anywhere, wherever you want. So let's unbox it. I have cut them. Let's pull up one. Yeah, it's very soft. It's also got my fingerprint. You can cut them and use anywhere you want. It's very soft. So the next one is very simple, all we know it. This is sticky notes. So let's see. Yeah, it's very normal, not too crazy thing. Let's pull one. First let's write something in it. I will use it in my hands. Yeah, it sticks. The glue is... This one is ceramic paint. Unbox it. Yeah, you have got a palette and there are small bottles, ceramic paint. I have used them for this is cloth color. You can paint your clothes with it. So let's see. There are 12 shades. The packaging was very hard. I have also used them and they are good. It will paint your clothes. Simple. This one is one of my favorites. This is Twistables color pencils, which are, you can see by the name, it's twistable. So let's unbox it. Take one. You can twist in the bottom side and it will bring the name, and you can also reuse them. The shade was light, it was good. If you press a lot, then it will be a darker shade. So the next one is watercolor card, which also name is watercolor cakes. There are 12 shades, and let's see. First unbox it. Oh, we have got a lot of things. There is a brush pen which look like very professional. It's a brush, very soft. Then we got a pencil, it's a regular pencil. And we also got a small brush. Then there is a card, and there it is, the shades. There are 12 shades. I have also used them and it's good. So the next one is nothing too special. It's also markers. These are like just sign pens, which are named eye color. There are 12 shades. Oh, the packaging was again hard. So let's use it. Yeah, it's very good. I liked it very much. It was very smooth to write and the color was good. I liked it. It's another different one. It's woodless charcoal pencil. There are 3 mediums, hard, and next one is soft and medium. There are 3 types. So let's use one. Yes, it's also smooth, but it misses sometime. It's good. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.